Studio. What is the value of a given that you have 20 to the power of a plus 20 to the power of a equals 200? Then let's have it to be solution. So we are given 20 to the power of a plus 20 to the power of a equals 200. Then let's factor them out. So here will be 20 to the power of a. This divided by this will be 1. This 20 to the power of a divided by this will also be 1 equals 200. So we have 20 to the power of a times 1 plus 1 is 2. This will be equals 200. Now, divide through by 2. This will cancel out this. We have 20 to the power of a equals 100. Now, from here, let's introduce log to both sides of this expression. So we're going to have log 20 to the power of a equals log 100. Then when you have log p to the power of m equals m multiplied by log p. So we have this to be a multiplied by log 20 equals log 100. Divide through by log 20. This will simplify this. So we have a equals log 100 over log 20. So we can have 100 as 20 times 5. So a equals log 20 times 5 over log 20. Now, when you also have log a times b equals as log a plus log b. So from here we have a log 20 plus log 5 over log 20. Now, divide this by this will be log 20 over log 20 plus log 5 over log 20. Now, we have a, this divided by this will be 1. Then this will be log 5 over log 20. So let us recall when you have log a over log b equals as log a in base b. So therefore we have a 1 plus log 5 in base 20.